Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and guess what? Glossybox, that's right. This is the Midnight Fantasy out of their Beauty Tales, and there are two different boxes. I ended up with this one right here. So let's dig in and check out what's inside. So I'm not going to show you what the box looks like when I first open it up because there was a little mishap. One of the products did leak inside the box, and so the tissue paper kind of got a little bit messy. But at least it didn't mess with the actual box. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're made extremely sturdy. I do keep these that have the special themes on them, and I recycle their normal typical pink ones. I used to keep them, but now I'm just sending them to the recycle bin. So they always have, I will kind of show you this, they always have a matching real pretty ribbon that they tie. It does have a really pretty gold. Here's the gold tissue paper with the matching, the sticker always matches. And then like I said, it did kind of make a mess. It's had time to dry. I had to open it up and let it air out. All right, here we go. You do get a card inside. There's the other one. That one is the Enchanted Spirit. Isn't that cool? I can't wait to see the videos that show this because I know what I got, but I can't wait to see what's in this other box. All right, inside this card shows you a description and a price of the full version. It's the full version price, but what they do on the deluxe minis is they give you a price of what that deluxe mini goes for as well as what the full version goes for. Two of the products in here are full size, the other three are deluxe minis. So this is a mini, well, it's considered a deluxe mini, and this is by Generation Clay. It's the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I have this in the full version. So this one right here at 50 milliliters is worth $14.44. The full version is $21.50. So I know you guys have seen this, probably if you subscribe to FabFitFun. And then the loose translucent setting powder by Ciate London. Oh my gosh, how many boxes of this are we going to get? I was joking around with my daughter. She didn't think that, I told her I have a few. She says, no, you don't. I said, yes, I do. I showed her my stash. She knew I wasn't joking around anymore when I showed her about 3 or 4. So yes, I do have quite a few of these. The Extraordinary, what is it? The Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's the setting powder by Ciate London. Now this is also not considered full size. This is a deluxe mini, and this one retails for $22. Now this right here is $18. Yeah, $18.98 for this little mini. Okay, all right. We've all seen this one as well. This is by KVD Vegan Beauty, and it's the Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in Lovecraft. This little tiny mini. They're cute. Before we had to wear masks, these were great to have in your purse. I used to have little makeup bags like from Ipsy, and I would just pop them right in there. So I've received a couple of these, and the package is cute. So this little mini right here goes for, or is it going to tell us? Yeah, $14. And then the regular full size is $20. I told you the name of the color, right? Lovecraft. I think that's the only color they have. Or that they're giving us in the boxes. All right, the next one is by Earth Harbor, and it's called Aurora Superfood Luminance Ample. And this one here is the full size. So this is $32. It has a lot of damage to this box because it got leaked all over. I actually thought this is what leaked. It was not. You're going to be surprised when you find out what did. Okay, it's green. I'm glad the window is open right now, but this is green. It's got the hemp. It says full of sea greens, cannabis sativa, hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. Okay, so. Oh, what do you do with it? I thought you'd never ask. It says This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminance. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. It's got all kinds of fun information on the back of that box. Okay, so what made a mess all over the box is considered full size. And it is by Ona, New York. And it is the Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask for $9. That's right. This little packet right here, which is pretty darn big, you leave it on your skin, on your face for 20 minutes, leaked, because it's almost as if it's a material. It has that material feel, and it's actually like shedding. The package is shedding, and it leaked all over my box. So I don't know if it was the heat, in transit. I couldn't tell you. But anyway, that's all the products that I received for my October 2020 box. This is the Glossybox. It is the Midnight Fantasy from their Beauty Tales. The little Beauty Tales series. Anyhow, I thought it was a pretty cool box. I think they did a good job on these. I love the box. I love the box. They're absolutely wonderful. Re-gift them. Repurpose them. All right, you guys, that's it. That is Glossybox for October, and I had fun sharing it with you. So you guys have a wonderful evening, and before you go, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.